This video is an update on SPY, the US markets ETF for the S&P 500 companies. Now, we mentioned last week that the SPY monthly chart has bottomed out with this bottoming tail and engulfing, piercing monthly candle here. And then we mentioned that the weekly created the supply zone, so we were expecting the supply zone to get taken out, which it did. And then now it has formed this level of demand down here. So price, we're expecting price to make higher highs, do like a 30% retracement and go back up, or it could reach this obstacle of the EMA line, dropped, and give us our entry to go long in. So that's what we're expecting. On the daily supply, this daily supply zone got taken out, which is what we were expecting, and then it formed this level of demand, this very weak level of demand. It can work, but most likely we're expecting a bigger retracement. It can retrace right here and then go up, or it could go back down to this demand zone that was created here and then go back up. So that's what I'm expecting to see. Just remember, I'm not a professional trader or financial planner, so make your own decisions, do your own analysis. But that is what I'm expecting on this SPY ETF. Bullish on it. Can go back to all-time highs, back up to the supply zone up here on the daily. And that's what we're expecting on the Qs. This is what we have on the Qs. The Qs already went back up to all-time highs already. The NASDAQ. This is all the tech companies. So it already went back up. It's gonna go back up to all-time highs, but now it's stalling because the price is currently at monthly supply zone, so that's why it's stalling. Even though it's not up here, it's already reached higher time frame supply zone. That's why we're not looking to buy anymore, because it's already up too high already, back up to all-time highs, and the sellers are taking control. So that's why we're saying that the markets are all moving together. So that's why the SPYs are moving. That's why we're not having any other recession, depression, or market downturn, because looking at the Qs, they went back up. So we're expecting the S&P 500 and Dow to go up too. Let's take a look at the Dow. Dow hasn't reached weekly supply zone yet, but most likely we're expecting it to take it out as well. Expecting it to take it out, but there's this supply zone and this EMA line, so it could take longer to get taken out, just because it's moving a little bit slower than the other two, but usually they all move together. And this is it for the analysis. If you got value from this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and click on the bell so you get notified of new videos I release in the future. I make daily swing trading videos on stocks and forex using supply and demand. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. I want you to transform your charts into profits and build the life you love.